As we get into this Valentine's Day, again, a lot to look forward to in that forecast. A little bit of a chilly start that we're waking up to, though, this morning, but lots of sunshine. That's what's going to help us warm up as we get into this afternoon. And in fact, looks like it's going to be even better as we get into tomorrow because that upper level pattern is going to be in the process of changing. Right now, again, we're tracking more of what we've been tracking the last couple of weeks, that northwesterly flow up around that jet stream level, but watch what happens here. It flattens out and then becomes a little bit more southwesterly as this system starts to kind of cut off and break its way onshore onto the Pacific coast. That eventually is going to give us a better shot not only at the mild weather returning, but some rain chances by Wednesday into the low 60s for your Tuesday. Today's not too shabby either, upper 40s. We'll take that as we get into your Monday. Here come those rain chances, though, as we go throughout the day on Wednesday. Clouds will start to increase first. That's going to be the morning as we get into the middle of this week. The rain, I think, is still holding off until about midday into the afternoon and evening hours, and then we're going to be tracking that frontal boundary and just how much cold air and how fast it can push into mid-Missouri. Again, that is going to hold all the cards as we get into Wednesday night and then Thursday morning. Eventually, though, what we're expecting is that rain to transition over to a wintry mix, and then eventually some snow to finish off as we get into Thursday morning. But it's a fairly narrow window. So again, not expecting major accumulating snow or major accumulations, that is, because of that narrow window. And if it can hold off late enough and we're looking at the snow falling and where we need to pick up that snow happens to be at the daytime hours, that's not exactly a great recipe for success this time of year either. And it's going to be nice and warm out ahead of this here. So I think we're going to be looking at some fairly limited impacts out of this system. But stay with us again. Still going to be tracking and ironing out some of those details here into the days to come. One thing that we do know, it is getting cold on the backside of this. Those wind chills falling into and maybe through the single digits in some spots here by Thursday morning. So keep that in mind. We got that cold blast headed our way as we get into Thursday. Maybe, again, a little more added incentive to get out and enjoy Tuesday and what we can on Wednesday before we're stuck near freezing as we get into Thursday afternoon.